Hello guys and welcome back again to the channel. It's an honor to come your way and hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. In today's video we are making something simple and delicious. We are making cocoyam porridge, also known as mpotompoto. So this recipe is simple to make. So let's get into the video. In my pot I'm going to add some water and I will allow this to boil. Once the water is on the fire, I will also be peeling my cocoyam, so please stay tuned. So guys, after peeling, I've washed my cocoyam and I will now cut them into smaller size. This is the size that I prefer to cut them, and I will do this for the rest of the cocoyam. After cutting everything, this is what I had, so I will set this aside and check on the water. Checking on the water, it is boiling, so I added the chopped cocoyam and also some habanero pepper, tomatoes. I also added onion, salted fish, some garlic powder, ginger powder, and salt to taste. Give this a quick stir and cover it. I will then leave this on the fire for some minutes. After some time, the cocoyam is doing very well. I then go ahead to remove the vegetables and blend them. And I want to use this opportunity to welcome my new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing to the channel, and to my returning subscribers. What will I have done without your love and your support? You guys always watch every video I post. I really do appreciate it a lot. I then go ahead to add fish powder, some dry smoked fish, stock cube, and also the blended vegetable. I will give this a stir, cover it for some minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients. Alright guys, our cocoyam porridge is almost done, and I went ahead to add some mackerel and also some fried meat, some salt to taste, some palm oil, and I'll stir, then add my spinach and onion to the porridge. So I will just leave this on the fire for 5 minutes. Alright guys, the cocoyam porridge is all done. This is the consistency that I want. This turned out to be delicious and yummy as well. And if you are still watching up to this time and not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel. I I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share this video among your friends, and also subscribe to the channel. Till then, see you in my next video, and peace be with you all. Stay blessed.